Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today I'm going to show you how to make Shio butter Nikujaga. Nikujaga is Japanese style potato stew. It's usually made with beef and seasoned with soy sauce, but today I'm making it with chicken and seasoning it with salt and butter. It's just cut and braise type of dish, so it's super easy. At the end of the video, I will show you how I built a menu with this Shio butter Nikujaga, so stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need to make 4 servings and some extra. 2 chicken thighs. You can use chicken breast instead. 3 to 5 potatoes depending on the size. 1 carrot, 1 onion, 1 tablespoon each of salt and hondashi instant Japanese soup stock, and 2 tablespoons of butter. Let's peel all the vegetables first. So onion, cut the top and the bottom off. Peel the skin. Carrot. And potato. If you see any eyes like this, remove it using the heel of the knife. Now, I'm going to cut them. Onion into slices, potato and carrot into chunks. Cut it into half and just slice. And into the pot. Carrot, cut the top and the bottom off. And let's just cut it into chunks. Into the pot. And potato. About this size. Into the pot. And chicken. You can make the dish with the skin on or skin off, either way you like. I like to do it with the skin off, so let's remove it. Just pull it off. And remove all the fat. And let's just cut it into bite-sized pieces. About the size. Same for the other one. Okay, let's put them into the pot too. One tablespoon of hondashi, 1 tablespoon of salt, and 2 cups of water into the pot. Put the lid on and just braise it over medium heat until everything is well cooked. It will take about 20 to 30 minutes. It's been cooked for 15 minutes, so it's halfway through. Let's give it a mix. If you see any scum, just remove it before you mix. Okay, let's keep cooking for another 10 to 15 minutes with a lid off this time to cook down the broth. I cooked for 10 minutes. And the toothpick can easily go through. Let's check the carrot too. So it's time to add the butter. Give it a mix. Kill the heat and it's done. Serve in the bowl. Put some black pepper if you like. And Shio butter Nikujaga is ready to go. Time for the tasting. いただきます。The beauty of the dish is potatoes, soaked up the buttery dashi broth and umami from the chicken. Delicious! This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 1 or 2 side dishes. Shio butter Nikujaga is the main, so it goes here, plain rice here, and onion miso soup or any soup you like here. Anything you like for the side dishes. But I think I want to have something seasoned with soy sauce. So how about spinach dressed with sesame sauce for one of them, and some sort of pickles to refresh our palate for the other one. I hope you enjoy the meal. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up on every Monday, Wednesday and Friday. So don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything.